anyway, so I'm happy to pass you. This was 1994, okay, by Rex Harris, okay, and I'm happy to pass this on to you guys because this is like once you get this book, the refractometer will it's so much. Remember I told you about poor, average, good, and excellent. There's a page that explains it to you. So this is a great book to learn how to use a refractometer with.
Cool.
Explains how to use it. See, it's really, really cool, really easy. But there's a really, and it has a lot of information about it here, which I'm not going to go over with it. But what I do want to show you, one of the best parts about this book, right? The best part, and by the way, Harry Reams is the guy I was talking about that I met him a long time ago, and he's really into soft rock phosphate. See, soft rock phosphate. Yeah. And that's amazing. It's amazing rock dust. And it's very important for plants. And we can go over that sometime, anytime you want to. But let me show you this. So this is the best part of this ebook here is that because, for example, under vegetables, they have the poor, average, and good, and excellent. See, right, rating? And then it tells you what the Brix level should be, like for an asparagus, for example. See?
Right.
So asparagus, poor would be 2, average should be 4, good. This is the measuring the Brix level, that line with the black and the white meat, that's the Brix level. Okay, it's excellent. 8 is excellent. So they cover vegetables, and you have to understand that this is like, you can have 100 people do this, they're going to get slightly different readings. Yeah. And I beg your pardon. You talk doggy. Hey, Ken, I didn't know you say something. Oh, hey, everyone.
It's because the cat is just coming down, as you can see the tail wagging in front of my face here.
I thought that was your beard, man. And it also covers, one of the good things about this, it also covers fruits. You have apples. I remember I was talking about somebody who had, let's see if I can find, I'm looking for a lemon. There is a lemon, right? So here's a reading for lemons. 4 is poor, 6 is average, 8 is good, 12 is excellent. Well, my excellent is really in the 20s, 23.
Okay.
So so again, these are slightly different. And also when he did these, it's something that people will find out later. Where you live in the world, what time of the year you do it will affect your readings as well.
Yeah, yeah.
See, so that's one of the things you have to learn about these readings. But the chart is excellent. It covers, and it has more of them. It covers bananas and mangoes, and the level. Here it says disease free. Somebody had asked, at what level would they be disease free? So an apple, if they're at a Brix level 16, they would be disease free.
Sweet.
Right? See, cool. And he didn't put it in here because he didn't quite know what to say about broccoli. What level would the broccoli be disease free? But my experience would be is that if you're in the excellent level, you're never totally 100% disease free because there are other conditions can happen. For example, the diseases can be spread by other plants next to you.
Yeah.
Right. And if you have more than one asparagus, one more, like we have several different apple trees, some of them could be weaker than the other ones. They're all not going to be identical Brix readings, right? So if you have, like for example, corn, you can test one corn for Brix, the year of corn for Brix, and then the one right next to it, not even a foot away, you can test, and it'll have a entirely different Brix reading. You go, what the heck happened there? Mm-hmm. Right? So they're all going to be a little different. You can't say this is the same for all of them. They're all like human beings. They all have a slightly different thing going on with them, whether or not, there's something genetically wrong with them, or the condition of the soil that they're in is wrong, or there's just maybe they got damaged somehow. There's lots of different things. If you want this book, Happiness runs in a circular motion. We freestyle life, man. Yes, man. He sounds very Rasta-like. Smash the like button. Are you a Rasta dude? That's like we freestyle life, man.
Yeah, man.
I like that. Man. So if you want this, all you have to do, and it's not so hard to do. I mean, it's just a few things. You go up to the website, you do the inquiry form. In the inquiry form, I made this inquiry form special because it goes from my website to me. And it bypasses all the junk